Hi. If you clicked on this video, if you're looking for something for New Year's, I decided to do something maybe like green on the smoky side. I feel like the typical New Year's is like maybe gold or like silver. It's an easy look. I used 2 shadows, maybe like 3 as a pop shade, but really just 2 shadows. So just keep watching this video. New Year's Eve look, I feel like it's gold, sparkly gold. So I was like, I pulled this palette out. I've been using it in a few of my most recent videos, and I actually have one. No, is it this one? Where I kind of want to go in and do like a really nice deep smoky green, something really deep. The Charlotte Tilbury Rebel palette. This look, you don't have to have everything I have. You never do when you're watching makeup tutorials. Grab what you have, get what you can get, and just use it. So first things first, I am going to be applying just a light brown shade out of this palette, something on the caramel side. First shade acts as a transition shade, so it's going to make it a little bit easier to blend your shadows when you're using color or just any shadow in general. I have to wear a mask at work, so it's most definitely breaking me out down here. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that deep, it is green, but it may not show up like that. It's a super deep color, but I'm going to do the method that I always do. I take a flat brush and I like to pat. So you see the difference? You get more of a color payoff. And I just have on my concealer as a base. Natasha Denonna concealer. She has one concealer. I think it's the Transfix Matte Concealer. Take my fluffy brush, Makeup by Ariel, the Morphe collection. And I'm just going to diffuse that. Don't worry about it not being neat. You're always going to go in and be able to clean it up. Just focus on blending the product. Let's take this Kylie brush in the same green color. You know, different brushes apply the product differently. This is like a flat, by Sigma it will be called like an E25 brush. And I'm just going to head right over in that crease. Same shadow. Really easy. And I'm going to take that same brush. I'm just going to flip it, you know, it's double-sided here, and I'm going to go into the shimmery shade in the palette. You gotta use your finger for this one. And also, guys, I did a black dye on my hair, so I got some on my fingernails as well. Little FYI. Sometimes just really applying it with your finger does the trick. Does the job. Dense brush is a smudger brush. It's from Charlotte. It's a dome shape brush. And I just want to define in my crease more. So I'm going to lift up my head so I can kind of tilt back my head so I can kind of see here. What I like about the Charlotte palette is their pop shades. This shade here, and I'm going to just take my finger and pop it right on top. It just really just gives like your eyeshadow a pop, like glitter or sparkle. I still have that Ben Nye glitter glue. You can do a wing with this eye look, but I'm not. I'm gonna just kind of keep the smoke. Okay. Use 2 shadows out the palette from the Jacyln Heel. They look like this, these 2 colors here, this one and then this one right here. It's like a deep green. This is like has some silver in it, but it's a green. I want to just take some black. I don't know if I want to do, yeah, let's do black in the waterline, then we're going to do the green underneath the lower lash line. 6 star, 1 size only eyeliner in Bodacious Black. Now you can do a wing, but I kind of just want to let it be. I'm going to take the Merit Beauty Mascara. This is just to prep my lashes for my false lashes, right? I am using a new brow pencil. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat. As you guys may know, I've always used, I think this is the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. It looks like this. I think it's in just like an updated packaging, but I love it, but I'm out. I ran through 2 of them for months, which is cool, but I'm actually really loving this right here. Thinner pencil, so it has like a thinner application. The spoolie on it is really nice and sturdy, which I was like, that's good to have, right? I just want to go in, and I love the finish. It's a powder-like finish, and it's thinner, but you still get that slanted, pencil tip. See, this one most definitely deserves a thicker lash, you know. You can do a more wispy, thinner lash if you just want the shadow to show even more. Our foundation that I chose is the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Macao. When you're using Nars foundations, as I say, always give it a good shake. Be taking the 2 Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, which in my opinion, have they changed the packaging on these? I think they need to put more product in here. It's a great concealer, but we need more product. So my shade is the color Amande. That is the shade that I use. My concealer shade, skin tone wise. Well, now, one of my favorite concealers to highlight is the shade Biscuit. It's really light, but it looks so good highlighting on deeper complexions. Lower Mercier powder because it's New Year's, and if you're gonna use this powder for anything, because it is a heavy powder, New Year's. This will forever be my favorite powder. Why? Get a little bit of coverage. It sets. It stays in place. A little bit heavy under the eyes, but I mean, it's only for a couple hours, right? Hopefully. I don't know if I want to go out for New Year's Eve. I don't know. Like, there's like nothing wrong with me. I'm just like not feeling it as much. I kind of just want to stay at home and like order pizza and just watch my favorite shows. I don't know. I think it's because of I'm just not. I don't know. Like I'm not really feeling the Atlanta nightlife, if you can kind of say, like, you know, like going out and stuff, you know, here. And it's nothing with Atlanta. It's me. It's me. I don't smoke hookah. Don't smoke at all. You know, I have asthma. You know, I should be the last person inhaling anything. Okay. I don't do clubs. My life out. Taking the Huda Beauty Tantour in medium. Easy contour. You don't know how to contour? Get this. And place it right in there like that. But I don't really, you know, like club it or anything like that. Other people like it, they like it, but I feel just, I think when I turned 25, a lot of things just started to like get pulled out of me. I feel like Jesus was like shoo, 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 a lot. And I don't know, there's just some things I don't know if you want to say grew out of, or I just don't care for anymore. I like going to events. I like going to parties, you know, like people throw like little parties and things like that. I like going out to dinners. Wine bars are my favorite. Charlotte Tilbury, this is her matte green light pencil. And I'm gonna just throw that right underneath here. A bit of this shimmery side here. I see people just leaving underneath their eyes blank. I used to do that a lot, but I just feel like, I feel that it really just amplifies and completes the look. Smudging that out. Just smudging that out. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my lower mascara. The Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, the Airbrush bronzer. This is the darkest shade in number 4. This is just going to just add on to that and give us some more color. Sometimes my lighting be off, y'all. I'm sorry. Be a little bit off. Take some blush with some color. Sometimes if you do like a neutral color with like a green, it can look muddy. So I'm just going to take this light pink shade here. I always say it's about the whole entire look coming together. So now I'm going to take some highlighter because, I mean, I don't know if highlighter is still a thing, but this is Whisper of Guilt by MAC, and I mean, it's New Year's. So we're gonna grab this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Liner in number 3 and tint, and I chose this one because it's waterproof and it's New Year's. You're probably gonna need a waterproof lip liner, right? The eyes are so pretty. A Girl Got Needs. This is just one of their nudes. Ooh, I'm like, should I lip gloss? It's so pretty. I'm not doing a gloss, okay. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. Comment on one of my videos. I can't find it. I don't know where it went, but someone was like, I wish we do more pinky nude looks like this, and I will do that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you follow my social medias. They're all linked down below. And have a happy new year, and may God always be with you and send you great blessings. Hopefully the upcoming year goes phenomenal for you. Names of Maya Angelou.